Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's Tuesday and we're seeing a little bit of a turnaround in prices with stocks lower, grains lower, and the US dollar right now a little bit higher. Crude is also lower. Yesterday, the USDA estimated that 71% of the corn crop is good to excellent. That's down 2 percentage points and a little bit of a surprise in the marketplace. As far as the beans, they kept it at 71% good to excellent, and winter wheat harvest is about 56% done, and that's close to the average. The weather is basically a mixture of different opinions. Right now, it looks like there could be some shower activity across parts of the Midwest as a weak frontal system moves across. People will be getting anywhere from maybe a half, locally 2 inch of rains. It's hard to pinpoint exactly where the best rains are going to be, but it might be in the Missouri Valley more than anything else. The second week, the American Ensemble puts the ridge in the southwest plains and amplifies it. So it's not like 2012 when we had a drought, or in the 80s when we had 3 droughts. But the summer weather pattern could be warmer than normal and actually at the end of the day drier than normal. And so we'll see what impact that has on the crop yields. July 10th, USDA will probably come out with a little bit lower corn crop number, a little bit lower carryouts because of the drop in acres, and the soybeans could also see a drop. It was interesting, though, that the U.S. attaché in China lowered his estimates of China bean imports this year and next year versus the USDA, suggesting that our export numbers to China might be a little bit high. And corn export prices in the U.S. are still the most expensive in the world, and wheat export trade has slowed down because of the impact the virus had on the economy. So we're setting back a little bit. We met some technical objectives in corn, double top in the December, and some technical objectives in soybeans. We're kind of backing off a little bit there and taking a rest from this rally. I do think, though, down the road, maybe after these rains, we're going to have to put a little bit of weather premium back in the marketplace. But I do suggest that farmers put some sell orders, cash, both old crop and new crop, just above the market. And we'll see if we can hit those cash prices before the market decides that we're going to have okay crops and okay supplies this year. The demand side of things probably limits the upside as COVID affects the demand, both food, fuel, and feed. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day, and remember, changing tomorrow starts today.